Hello guys, welcome to my channel SciTech Enthusiast, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hack any Windows system out there, and you can set the password right on the lock screen. So let's get started. So here you can see I have my virtual machine Windows 10 VM inside this, and I'm stuck because I don't know the password. I don't know. I don't have any idea or any clue. So I'm just going to reset this password right here. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to over here and I will mount a live CD Ubuntu disk image. Okay, so you can see this is the ISO. If you are using a physical machine, then what you can do is you can use Rufus to make that USB bootable and then connect that USB, so it will be just like that. Okay, so that's it. So I've connected this ISO and then I will reboot the system and I will press escape key, which is a pause boot menu for VMware. In your case it might be escape F2 or F12 or delete, so it depends on vendor to vendor. It differs on vendor to vendor. So you can see here we have this boot manager, and I will select this virtual SATA CD drive. Okay, and I will hit enter and Ubuntu hit enter. So it's gonna take some time because the disk check and all that. So I'm just gonna pause the video and I will come back when the Ubuntu live image comes in. Okay, so you can see it just got completed and will be having that live boot up menu. So yeah, this is the install menu. Okay, so I will click on the try Ubuntu and then we will have Ubuntu desktop, which is a live boot. So you don't have to install Ubuntu, we're just trying it. Okay, so now finally the live boot image is loaded, and it took a while. So that's it. So here I will go to files, and since it is live image, I should be able to access the entire Windows directories. So you can see this is my C drive basically, and if I just want to take a backup, I can take a backup and connect my hard disk or something like that, and that's it, my data is safe. But I want to reset the password in this case, so I will go to users, I will go to Windows, then I have to go to let me just change this icon to list view so it will be better. Then it should be system32. This is the folder. So we'll double click on that, and then we will again have a list of files. So from there I will just copy cmd.exe, which is a command prompt. Okay, and I will rename it to something like setHC.exe. so there are two exe present in this location, so I'll just get over there, cmd. Okay, so this is, you can see cmd.exe is here. I will copy it and I will paste it to the desktop. Then there is also one more exe like setHC. So you can see this is the exe. I will just I can just delete this exe. Okay, so or you want to take backup, you can rename it as well. So I will just delete it. So move to trash. So you can see setHC.exe is deleted. I will rename this to the command prompt exe to that setHC.exe now. Okay, so setHC, that's all. So this is the trick, and then I will copy this, or I will cut this, and I will put back to I will cut it in the Windows System 32 directory. Okay, back to this. So I'll just go over here, Windows, and then we have a System 32 over here, and I will paste it over here. So it's still loading because we have a lot of files over here. Okay, so you can see it's just, I just copied this right now. Okay, so this is all I did, and that's it. So let's now boot back to Windows. So I will just restart this guest and say yes. Before that, I would like to disconnect from the network. So anyway, it doesn't matter actually, but I would just prefer to disconnect it from the network if possible. So network adapter, disconnect. Now there is no network, it's just a local system. And by the way, my account I was trying to reset the password is for the local system. So that's the thing. So I will just remove this thing. I will restart the guest. So the VM is now restarted, and it's a normal Windows boot, right? So we don't need the CD drive as well, so I will just disconnect that as well. And this is the normal Windows system where I don't know what my password is, so I will reset it right on the login screen. So click on that, and I don't know password, right? So what I have to do is I will click shift key 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see the command window appears. So this is the command, this is the exe name, right? Set etc.exe. So what we did, basically we copied the command window and we rename it to the exe and we pasted it in C Windows System 32. That's all. Now to reset the password for this user, in my case the username is this SciTech Enthusiast. In your case it might be something different, so you have to use your username. So if you don't know the username or you want to list all the users, so there is a command net user, and you can see currently I have only one user, which is SciTech Enthusiast. So I will just reset the password for this user, and you can reset the password for any user in this case. Okay, so net user, and then my username is SciTech Enthusiast, and I will put a password like password 123. Okay, this is my new password. I will hit enter, and command completed successfully. So I will try to enter the password this now. Okay, just to show you I will just make this password 12. Okay, or let's say, how can I prove that to you, to make sure that this is not a password. So I will just try to hit some password. Let's say, let's make it YouTube. So YouTube, and what is the today's date is 23. So I will try to enter this thing. The current password is password 123. So I will just try to use YouTube 23, and you can see it is not working. So YouTube 23 is not the password. So the password, now this is the command YouTube 23, and I will change the password, and now I will again enter YouTube 23, and you can see this is, and enter. So there we go, the password is cracked, or we got in the Windows system. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to sort them out. So thanks for watching.